Hello and welcome to the Fulfill Point app tutorial series from KlinKode. With Fulfill Point, you can automatically choose which location will ship an order based on different conditions. In this video, we'll show you how to ship a specific product from a specific location using city condition. Let's open the Fulfill Point app. Click the Create Rule button. First, enter a name for your rule. In the Applies to section, you'll see two options: All Products and Selected Products. If you choose All Products, this rule can apply to every product in your store whenever the rule conditions are met. If you choose Selected Products, you can decide exactly which products should be included in the rule. You can filter products using several options, including products, product tags, collections, SKU, and variant titles. If you select more than one filter, you'll see an additional setting called Items Must Match. Here you'll have two options: all filters and any filter. If you choose all filters, every filter must match for the product to be included in this rule. If even one filter doesn't match, the rule won't apply to that product. On the other hand, if you choose any filter, the product only needs to match one of the selected filters. For this example, we will select Selected Products and set the product Black Bear. Now let's configure the fulfillment location. In the fulfillment section, you'll see two options: one shared location and selected locations. If you choose one shared location, all products matched by this rule will be fulfilled from a single location that you select. On the other hand, if you choose selected locations, you can select multiple fulfillment locations. When the rule matches, Fulfill Point will use the selected locations, and Shopify will fulfill the products based on inventory availability within those locations. For this example, we'll choose Selected Location and select the New York store. As you can see, 1,000 Black Bear products are currently available in New York. Now go to the rule page and scroll down to the Conditions section. Click on the Add a Condition button. Then scroll through the list and select City. Select If Found and enter New York as the city field. This means that if a customer orders this product from New York, the order will be shipped from the New York store. Now click the Save button to activate your rule. Let's test the rule. Go to your storefront and add the Black Bear product to the cart. Proceed to checkout and enter a shipping address with the city set to New York. Now, let's complete the order and see which store the product is shipped from. Now go to the inventory and have a look. As we can see, the product is being shipped from the New York store. That's it. This is how you can automatically fulfill specific products from a specific location based on the customer's city using Fulfill Point. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to revisit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Fulfill Point app. Happy selling!